Hey, it's Robert Red Designs. I thought I'd show some quick tricks that I've been doing for my plasma cutter. I'm sure it's the same for some others out there, but I thought, well, what the hell? I'll throw a little quick video together for it. So here we go. So a quick few things that I like to do, and it's been working for me, is to get everything I can get out of a full sheet. Set up my table. It's a smaller table, Crossfire Pro. And I usually will have the whole sheet on there, and I'll move it as I need it. And I just make a cart like this. It's just a makeshift thing that I've done that's been doing well for me. And that way I can get the whole sheet on there. I'll probably be cutting about half of this sheet. And then another quick tip that I've been kind of putting together. One is I use Becks Armory indexer. Basically helps me index my point exactly where I need to be at. It'll fire right there. And last but not least, I got this trick off of Facebook, and it's using a fireball tool for an indexing for your plate. And it squares up the sheet to the gantry right here. So literally, you just pop the sucker in there, butt it up. You can put a small pair of vice grips or something of the sort. But then you have an index. You have a way to index your sheet of metal that you've just put on here. Especially when it gets a big piece of sheet metal. This is 11 gauge. It's very helpful for me to know where my square is, because I'm usually cutting from this point all the way to this point if I can. Of course, you want to use all the material that you can possibly can. With that, those are just some quick tricks that I put together that I got from others. Actually, I didn't make these up. Hopefully this helps. Alrighty, later.